Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Hey guys, just had a great big snowstorm. Woke up to this beautiful beauty. See if you can show it to you. Such a beautiful, there's our airplane, such gorgeousness. You know how beautiful the snow makes everything. So, and just loving it. It's this beautiful day, incredible. And I just wanted to chat with you about, you know, I woke up this morning and my electric was out, my heat was off, it was dark inside, you know, here it was snowing. Icy snow, really heavy snow to beat the band. I mean, it was really coming down, and I was just like, oh my goodness. You know, it's not what I planned for the day, right? I planned to get up and do stuff, but, you know, nothing works. Everything's off, which is kind of a blessing, right? And so here I was this morning with my plan just crushed because everything was off, and I was sitting in the dark, kind of, and what do you do? What do you do when stuff like that happens, you know? You switch everything. It doesn't matter. You embrace the beauty, which I am doing, and which I did this morning. I embraced the beauty of the day and that cozy feeling of being inside when the weather is so awful out. You know, you embrace that stuff. You just really, I think that's better there. I think, you know, you just embrace it and you move on. You redo what you're going to do, and one reason I say that too is, you know, you're following a map on your phone and then somehow you get off track, right? And your phone goes recalculating. Well, you just recalculate your day, you know? You just do other things, you plan it, you show up, you do activities that inspire, and really it all comes from your mindset. That's a big airplane. It all comes from your mindset. No matter what happens, no matter what interrupts your video, no matter what comes in the morning, you embrace it and you move forward. Because if you can do that, every single day, embrace whatever comes your way and still do what you need to do for your day, for your planning, you got to have a schedule. If you don't have a schedule, you don't have a plan, then what's that going to do for your business? Not too much, right? Then it's like a hobby, and that's not going to work. So you got to have a schedule and a plan, and, you know, all that. And if the day you get up and you have this big snow and nothing's working, you'll get through it. It'll be a great day, and you'll get it done. And that's life, really, isn't it? We plan stuff. Things don't always go that way. But that's okay, because we can rearrange it. My hair is in my face. So that's the deal. You just gotta go with it. You gotta redo whatever you've planned. You gotta take out a list and update what you're gonna do, plan and do stuff that with a pencil and paper. If your phone doesn't work, you can't turn on the electricity, you can't type things out on your iPad, you can't go over your notes. You just do it that way. It works, you know? And if you get up every day with that mindset that you're going to seize the day and you're going to do it in, no matter what, you're going to take charge, no matter what comes your way, no matter what interrupts your day, and imagine a beautiful snowstorm, It's kind of, it's beautiful, there's no doubt, and I'm thankful for that. And I've gotten a lot done today. I just carry on and do what I gotta do, and that's really key. If you plan a schedule and you don't say, well, I'm just gonna take today off, or well, I'm gonna take tomorrow off, and end up, you know, you're not gonna get anything done that way. And it's really important, no matter what you plan, take it with a grain of salt. Just keep going, you know? Just keep going. Don't just say, well, I quit today and tomorrow and I'll take the week off because I'm having a bad day, or I woke up and everything's off, my heat's off since the middle of the night, etc. You don't want to do that, because all in all, if you take the attitude that you're going to do what you need to do every single day, and you're going to show up and you're going to put your work in and you're going to do it, you're not going to let anything stop you, then nothing will. Nothing will stop you. You're going to have results and rewards that would be amazing for your future. I know I worked like 6 months when my kids were little to get up to a certain kind of residual income. Well, I haven't even been in this for 5, and I made $6,300 already in my business. And because I didn't quit, because I didn't have days where I'm not doing it today. No, I didn't quit ever, because you don't do that. If you stop moving forward, even if it's small steps, if you stop moving forward, you got nothing, you know, and that's never good, right? And so I just want to tell you that you can do it. You can do it, and just have to know you can do it every day, not to give up because something doesn't go your way or something isn't planned right. Be able to go on the fly and, you know, seize your day and do what you got to do and make it work. Because it really, if you have a schedule and you have that mindset, oh, I don't care if it's bad storm, bad whatever comes up, I don't care, I'm going to do it. I'm going to get it done. I'm not going to put it off, and I'm not going to let something interrupt what I plan to do. So that's really good, really good. I mean, if you have that correct mindset and you wake up every single day and do that, you're going to get rewards from it, because you're consistent and you are persistent, which is important that you are, because if you're not, then, you know, nothing happens if you're not persistent and then consistent, because that's what makes stuff work. That's what you study, you educate yourself, you know, you do your work, whatever that is, with whatever you're doing. If you have a blueprint that tells you exactly what to do, which I do, then you do that, and which is awesome. Blueprints, an up-to-date, right now blueprint that's working now for the leaders and for yourself and for the entire team. That's the kind of thing you like. That's the kind of thing that's going to make a difference. And I just want to encourage you so much, because you need to know that if you get up every day and you get that, yes, I'm going to do it. Yes, I'm going to put in the time. And yes, I'm going to do this every day because I deserve it. My family deserves it. You know, I deserve to have the freedom lifestyle, to be home, to go to Florida like I did. What a difference, right? I was in Florida just the other week, and now I'm up here quarantined too. And you know, what a difference in the temperatures. I mean, it's like 65 there today, actually cooler than normal, and then yet up here was 27 degrees. Crazy. Of course it was below freezing, because look at our storm, what it's done. Beautiful, you know. I do embrace the beautiful blessings I have, and thankful that I can be inside in a cozy home and watch this incredible storm. It's so beautiful, and be warm and cozy. I mean, there's so many gifts and blessings. You get to get up and be thankful for so many things, and just get right into it, get your work done, and move on every single day. Trust me, it'll pay off. And that is really the best kind of advice, because most people start a business and they peter out so quickly. They don't, well, you can't start a business and do that, no matter what it is. I mean, it's work. It's hard work. I'm not saying it's not. It is work, but you can do it. You can do it from home. You can do it when you go to Florida for your vacation. You can always, and that is such a blessing to do that. And I just really encourage you to do what you need to do if you want the results, you know. If you want to live that life, you got to put in the time, and you got to get up every day with that mindset and do it. Really, you do. You just have to, and you know, you'll get in the habit. And you know how it is. It takes a little time to build a habit. And once you get into the habit, you get into the groove, and you see the results, so worth it. And I encourage you for that. I want you to have that strength and courage to know this is really key for doing any business, anything in life. Honestly, if you're not consistent doing it, it's not going to happen. And I just want to encourage you on this snowy, wintry day in Alaska, beautiful, beautiful day, that you can do it. You can. And I just appreciate you getting on my video and watching. And I am thankful for you, and wanted to encourage you and let you know that don't give up. Don't ever give up. Keep moving forward. And that'll be the best blessing and rewards for you. It has been for me. So I appreciate you watching, and have a great week. Have a wonderful November. You know, it's just beginning. So have a great one, and bye from Alaska.